Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix WhatsApp voice message problem. So let's start. First, I will give you a tip that is check your permissions on WhatsApp. So for checking it, just long press on the WhatsApp app. And then when you check the long press on WhatsApp app will appear these options that says share app info and still. Just click here on app info, and here on app info you will find an option that says app permission. Just click here and you will find all the permissions that the app have. For example, allowed and not allowed. So if I not allowed, you can see I have the microphone. So maybe this is the problem that voice message is on WhatsApp. So just click here and just click here on allow only while using the app. Just back, and you can see here that now microphone is allowed on WhatsApp. The other tip I give you for fixing it is going to settings, and then on settings just scroll down and let's go to Bluetooth. Here on Bluetooth you have to deactivate it. Why? Because sometimes Bluetooth with your headphones is making a problem and you can hear your voice or something like that. So I recommend you to deactivate Bluetooth when you will use WhatsApp. So that's the two tips I give you. I hope one of them works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.